Here I have Xiaomi 12S Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button battery saver. So by tapping on it once you can switch this mode by holding your finger until you can access some of its settings. For example, you can also switch this mode here. You can set it to don't wake screen for notifications. You can set it to turn off always on display when this mode is enabled. You can also set it to turn off when your device is up to 50% charged or fully charged. And you can also switch it based on your time. You can select start time, end time of this schedule, turn on, and yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.